Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're doing a crypto check-in. Oh yeah. Okay, so account is not doing so good still. Still waiting for crypto to recover, but a lot of it looks good. Look at all these little ones that are popping. Nice. But today I finally unlocked another box. So if you guys want to see my trades and what I'm buying, you gotta subscribe to my channel and see what happens. So let's go into the store so you can see the mystery box. Ooh, mystery box. I'm going to buy the mystery box. You got to guess what I'm going to get. Silver, gold, bronze, platinum. What am I getting? Guess in the comments below right now. I'll pause. Okay, it's over. Okay, ready? And let's redeem the mystery box. And we got silver. Okay, now here's your second chance to guess. I'm guessing 3.1 CRO. Let's see what we get. Put your comments below. Not too late. All right. Let's see. What do we got? 4.2 CRO. All right. Well, hold on. Let's put a pause on that all right for a minute. All right, I'm going to withdraw all my CRO and put it in my wallet just so I have it. Now, let's go back and see how much that's actually worth. Is it worth anything? Or is CRO worthless? Well, it's not back up to 95 cents where it was, but we made it up to 12 cents. We're almost hit 13 cents at one point. Now, I know it doesn't sound good. We should be at least 50 cents. But, NFTs, crypto, all out of favor right now. But, in the long run, it's going to be good. All right, you see, we were almost at $1, and it's been down, down, down ever since. But if we go back and look at Bitcoin, all right, everything's based on the price of Bitcoin. What has Bitcoin been doing recently? So we had a little bit of a high, and we're coming off of it. All right, we were up to what, 24? I think we hit 24.1, something like that. And we rebounded off of that. We're doing a little consolidation before the next run. All right, you can see how we run a little bit, goes up, and then it consolidates. We have another big run, it consolidates, and hopefully we're going to continue that pattern upward to 60,000 and beyond, 100,000, 150,000, million, all the way to the moon. Eventually, within the next 5 years. Yeah, it really depends. So be sure you guys subscribe for more updates and see what's going on. And see some of these other tokens that I've been accumulating rather stealthily. Unless you guys are a member of the channel and joined up, you won't be able to see my trades for crypto. Well, you can see them, just not in real time. So let's look at something today. Now, Polygonmatic has been doing really well. You can see, last time I bought Polygonmatic, it was lower. Oh, here's all the interest that I've been gleaning from all the stakes that I have. All right, pretty awesome. And you can see here the last one I did was here. And was it 59 cents? That doesn't seem right. All right, well, I've been accumulating it slowly but surely on various exchanges. Obviously not this one. But, Voyager and Celsius story there. Ugh. Don't get me started. It looks like we might get something back, but I'm not going to go into that in this video. That'll be a whole separate video about Celsius and Voyager and what's going on with them. So be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for those guys. What I am doing today, where I'm looking at, I'm going back up here. So one of the big secrets here in crypto land, Contentos. I don't know if you guys seen this or not, investigated it at all. All right, this quarter, they are getting ready to release some NFT, virtual real estate, all this kind of cool stuff. But here's the thing. It is very much out of favor right now. So this is the best time to buy, in my opinion. Now, I learned my lesson here before. Hit this little button on the side. You switch it from tokens to dollars. Now, in order to make my minimum buy for the day of 5 to get my 5 coins for the box, what we need to do is spend 20 bucks. And it looks like right now that's trading in at 28.71 CAS. So you got to make sure the USD wallet is selected, like here, and then we can trade it in for the CAS. All right, here we go. Oh, missed it. All right. We'll have to go back to the main screen and collect it since I just missed the pop-up window. So don't forget to do this. You got to redeem the diamonds in the vault. Now, obviously, I just redeemed some, so I only got 5. So it's going to be a little while longer before we get another box. So, all right. Anyway, here we go. There's our position in Contentos, the CAS. All right. Got a couple $100 in there. Not bad. I've been stacking this a little bit. You can see. It's been going up and down. It's little gyrations over the past few months. Overall, it's down. Shocker. Just like Bitcoin and every other crypto out there. But long-term price target of $1 for this thing. And when that happens, bam, it's going to be good for me. Let me tell you. As soon as this virtual land launches with NFTs and all the crypto support and the tokenomics of the CAS, it should be pretty good. If it does anything like Sandbox or Mana, could be going to $5. So, still in time to get in on the ground floor in this one. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Am I just chucking my money on the fire pit here, or is this going to be good? I predict it's going to be good, so. Alright guys, that's all I have today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.